Siya pa. They miss. Main engage. Just spread out properly.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, look southeast again.
We have so many fucking solo bomb from Alliance really. Like 3.
Oh, skipper, keep drop guard rune, please.
Guys, yo, Oathkeeper, you need to keep guard rune on you, okay? Careful, bomb coming, Shaper. OC check, by the way. Do you have enough OC?
10 minutes.
Okay, enough. Okay, everyone, okay? If they come in here, you can spread southwest and northeast, okay? Don't funnel to northeast, please, man.
And Bauer, don't do anything.
Brawler, you don't need to do shit. You're a fucking display. I think they're waiting for Rieger, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, because I saw.
Who's your call? Is it
Defend
Spark Void caller? Okay, wait, southeast ha. Quick engage in 3, 2, 1 on me. Got a call.
Siya pa.
Don't panic, guys. After they break the door, don't panic, okay? Don't panic. We're gonna let them come in. Just spread out properly, bro. We're gonna win. Just wait. They're bread rocking me now. What the fuck? Pafik nga ako, ito. Sleeper, pafik nga ako. Nasa sleeper. Dito ba si sleeper? Wala na. Gago, wala na sa sleeper. Wala akong golem pala, hayop. Oh my god.
Gate broken ah.
Careful. Putang ina talaga. Ba't wala akong golem? Okay, everyone. Just wait. Wonder 5, you're gonna walk behind them, okay? Later. You walk behind them later. Okay.
Defend.
Careful. Not yet. Do I just let them in, Wonder 5, so you can brawl? Okay, everyone, go second gate. I want Wonder 5 to brawl, okay? Okay, we play here now, okay? We play here now.
Follow. DPS, you wait here with me, ah.
My party 1 DPS, look southeast. Everyone else, you can hug the wall southwest, okay?
Just engage yung door.
Wonder 5, if they're hammering the door, door. Yeah. Okay.
Shaper?
I think Wonder 5,
Sorry.
I'm gonna give them the gate Wonder 5. I let them break.
Telly, can you tell my baller DPS to come here to me? They don't listen to me.
Brawler DPS, follow Isel, bro. You don't need to do shit. What?
What the fuck?
The fuck is happening?
The fuck is that?
What is happening?
I think Wonder 5 can engage.
Okay, look, southeast. In 3, 2, 1, shallow. On the tanks.
Shipper.
Okay, come back. We have no fucking damage. Come back.
They coming in, deep. They coming in.
Come back. I didn't say brawl.
Nice low.
เชลเตอร์มานี่หน่อยมาข้างล่างตรงประตูข้างล่างเราจะเล่นมุมนี้กัน
9 second engage, okay? 8 second engage.
They engage in southwest gate.
Who are they fucking fighting right now?
It's Wonder 5, ah.
Okay, look. Not yet. Never mind. Southeast on the tank in 3, 2, 1. Ano yun? Defend! Bomb! Nice one. We killed one of them, one of their DPS. Come back. We fucked one of their... Okay. Careful. Heal shallow.
Defend.
Where's my heal? Okay. Come on a bit. I think Wonder 5 DC you.
Serino is mounted up. They're going Narrows.
Who's going arrows?
This area, Narrows. Lost Serino. But now he mount up, ah.
Careful. What are they doing? I think they're waiting for Rigger, no?
I think so too.
Okay, we're gonna shadow attack.
They're coming.
Okay, northeast in 3, 2,
They're coming,
1. Headbutt. Maybe headbutt.
No,
Oh!
not headbutt.
Come back. Nice engage.
They're not. Defend.
Okay, let's go Wonder 5. Let's go full send. Okay, everyone walk in. Dismount behind them, my brawler. Fucking dog shit trash. Walk in now. No fear, walk in. Potion.
You guys,
Walk in.
We waited. Baller, we waited. Okay.
One southeast now. Let's go, walk in. Walk out, nigga. Walk out now.
Let's go.
Kill this fucking dogs, man. Holy! Nice one, part 1. You made me happy again. Catch them all.
Lost Serino here.
Catch them all, guys. We need money.
Lost Serino. Kill this guy.
Maybe do